Oh, you can never go wrong when you go organic. And this right here is a very special kind of seed that is perfect for the times. As you know, gardening is America's #1 hobby. And here we have the Cultus Chartum Latrinarium. These seeds right here are so special and so rare, but when you get them planted and when you could figure out how to get them grow properly, you are going to be so excited, and so will your family and friends. I guarantee you will become the most popular person on the block when you can grow these particular seeds. So what we're going to do is just start off with a nice little planter bed over here, and we have to cut ourselves just a little area just like this. Nothing fancy, because we don't want to bury these seeds any deeper than you have to. And then we'll just take them and carefully take them out of their container here. And what you have to remember about these seeds is that if we don't use all of them, repackage them up. It's like recycling. It's exactly what it is. Okay, now these are very delicate, so we kind of have to behave ourselves here. So we have each one of these seeds. They're a little bit on the thin side. So we're going to take these and we're going to plant them right there. You want to go about 3 to 4 inches apart. Best thing about these is that when you plant them in this particular fashion right here, they're not going to crowd each other out. They're just going to be absolutely gorgeous. Make sure you only do 1 seed at a time. And when you do this, nice, right? We're going to take this, before we forget, we don't want to waste these. These are very expensive. We're going to put them back inside of the container right here. And then we want to put them in a very safe place, okay? That's a safe place. Now what we want to do is we want to cover up the seeds. So once you cover up the seeds, you're just going to kind of do one of these. Don't go crazy with this, all right? Now, what's really fascinating about these plants is that you are not going to have to do a lot of fertilizing to them. In fact, you're just going to leave them pretty much along the way they are, because when they become much more established and they flower for you, that's when the fertilizing actually happens. So we're just going to take these and we're going to water away right here. We're going to take and just water these. And you know, like with some plants, I always tell you that it's always important to take and keep the humidity up. No, you don't have to do that with this. This one right here is going to take just this one watering, and then they're going to grow. And are we so lucky because I was able to get one to bloom for us over here. And is this not the most gorgeous plant you have ever seen in your life? It is so practical, that blossom. Hey, let's just smell this. Ah, that smells so good. Oh, you look, it's oh, and it's very soft to the touch. And oh, I just love this plant. So anyway, you can grow them in containers just like this, or in a planter bed. It's all up to you. Plants, they are wonderful.